Hello YouTube, welcome Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 2 of the video series Restaurant Website Design to HTML CSS. In the previous video, we wrote the HTML of this website. If you haven't watched that video, I will give you the link in the I button and in the description of the video. In this video, we will focus on the style of the hero section. So enough talking, let's start the video. Now first let me click on Go Live button from the bottom left. This is the plugin for the VS Code Go Live. You can install it from the plugin menu. Now we can see without any style website look boring and outdated. So let me write some style. But first I knew that there is an extra bullet point on the page. Let me check it first. Here outside the button tag there are two ally tags. Let me remove the extra one. So now insert the CSS link in the header. Let me open the file and tap on the asterisk key to select everything, and we will write some reset code in the CSS file. So write padding 0, margin 0, color black, #000. Color property is for text color. Now it is time to import Google Fonts. So for this, go to Google and search for Google Font. Click on the Montserrat and click on the embed code button. Now click on the import radio button and just copy the code and paste it in the CSS at the top of the CSS file. Remove the style tag. Now import another font, Poppins. Same thing, and now add font family Poppins along with sans serif. Now target anchor tag, text decoration none. Now select logo ID and write display inline block. Now we insert the shape. So for this, in Figma, disable the plate image and export the shape and drag and drop the image to the project and move the shape file to the asset folder. And now add the background image URL. Remove the space in the file name. Now let's check the output. Image is repeating, so we need to add background repeat. No repeat. Now image is not repeating. And now position the image background with the property background position, and the value is 82.4% and 0. Now select the container wrap, width 1440 pixel, height 100 pixel, but this is unnecessary. You can ignore it. Margin 0, auto. Now we focus on the header section in which we have logo and a nav bar. So to make horizontal nav bar, select nav bar class ULLI and write display inline block. Now write header and display flex. We will use the flex box in the header because it is easy to position text or element. So there are some properties we need to use to align items, such as justify content, space between, align item center, padding 30 pixel 2%. So let me explain the code here. By using display flex on the header div, it changed the div to flex box. The default value was box. Justify content, space between, give equal space between elements. So there are only two divs in the parent div, logo and nav bar. Flexbox only work on them. Flexbox only work on children elements. It will not work on nested div. That means the nav bar elements don't get affected. Now we set our logo, which has a font size of 1.5 rem, font family Montserrat, sans serif, font weight 800, cursor pointer. Now write dot nav link, font size, add this value, font weight bold, and now select ally in nav link and add some padding to the left. Now add button properties. So select dot button class where the border is none, padding is 15 pixel 32 pixel, top bottom left right respectively, text align center, text decoration none, display inline block, font size 12 pixel, font weight bold, border radius 25 pixel, and finally cursor pointer. These properties are the base of our button. Now just add BT and white class for the background color white and text color black. Now the nav bar look perfect. So now we move towards the hero section and make it pretty also. Now let me write the CSS for the hero div. Padding top bottom 30 pixel and left right 2%. Make it display flex and justify content space between. It will make separate two columns with no hassle. Now add a hero content width of 24% and style the h1 tag with these properties. Adjust a line height a little bit for the paragraph with the line height of 23 pixel. Now let me see what the result. As you can see, the flexbox is not working, so there is a problem in our code. Here paragraph tag, button tag and image tag are not in the hero section. They are outside of the hero section, which is why my output is weird. So let me fix it. Cut copy the code and place it at the correct place. Now test it. It's working great. You can quickly pause the video and copy the correct code. Now only we need to style a primary button. Let me add the built-in primary class property. There is a space in the file name of hero image. Let me fix it by adding dash. There is an arrow in the button, so let me export it from Figma and include it in the button as an image source. So this is the final output. I hope you love it. We will add more to this website in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon for the regular updates in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.